Yes, massive. Blessed love and welcome again. Wagwan. More hopes everybody are do well and more hopes everybody good. You see it? So yeah, we there again. There for your next reasoning. Seen? But before we go into reasoning, we just want to say gratitude is a must. Someone say massive respect and give thanks. You see it? To all the people them who are subscribe and view the thing and share the thing and all of that. Yeah, man, me say what I go on and you understand more as a massive respect. You see it? Seeing? So, I just want to start off the discussion with one of my favorite reggae artists. Me just want to start off this with a quote where the man say, what's the difference between the wise and the fool? When the wise live and die, likewise the fool. Yeah, and him say, a man is just a man. Seeing? A man is just a man. So in other discussion here now, we want to look past some things as a people. You understand? We are talking about Jamaican people, you know. Seeing? My people. Seeing? Our people. Seeing? We show love to everybody else. But when it come on to we self, it come like I say, we are our biggest enemy. Seeing? I don't know if it was a reason, like, it just come like say, once a bundle of Jamaican is in one area, it's almost like a just recipe for some kind of madness. Seeing? And watch you know, you see if most of the one them ever find themselves in a one situation where you live at one place where you don't have no contact with a Jamaican, you find how much you miss the connection there. Seeing? And I can give a personal experience. Seeing? Because watch you now. I man used to live in a France one at a time. Seeing? I used to live in a one country part in a France. Seeing? And for years, whole heap of, you understand, it's a nice little stretch. Me never meet a Jamaican. Seeing? And watch you now. When you live in a France, the government offer you like a certain amount of hours, a French language course. Seeing? So, me I do my course and at the end of the course, we have one examination. Seeing? So, at this a place you know you find say a bunch of different people from the different region in a France who I go through the same kind of procedure as myself. We reach at the like a test center. Seeing? I'm walking at the place and when I go in a place, I see a ras. But I see a turban. The turban kind of strike. You understand my attention? The way how him wrap the turban, you see it? Because in a Europe, you go meet all kind of different people. You go find people wrap them locks in a turban. But with the bubble them a Jamaica, they wrap them turban in a one peculiar kind of manner. You understand? So if you pay attention to the whole thing, you go identify it anywhere you see it. Seeing? So other kind of vibes there. When me see the turban, me I say, wait. Someone a rapping turban like him, I want bubble like a one yard man this. You see? So I pass and I go and I see it and we do we test and he come in to the break time now and me walk over to the youth. You see that me I said to him in a French, like, you understand, me introduce myself like me say hello and you understand, me ask him if he speak English. And the brethren say, what? Seeing cause me I speak French to him and he probably pick up the accent so me a Jamaican see wait. You see it, so when him turn on and he say, what? Me clock right away say a Jamaican cause me just pick up the accent same time. You see it? And may I tell you say I just ones who experience this might understand the vibration where me feel this. The camaraderie, the familiar vibes. You understand? The whole of that. It just overwhelming. Me and the brethren just start to chat and we just a chat and a galang. You understand? Until this day, me and the brethren there keep connection same way too. You understand? Even though me not live in France anymore, me and the brethren still keep in touch. See? So when we apart from each other, then we realize how much we need each other. But you see, the internet now, the internet create vibes where instantaneously we can relate to each other. A man there in England and him talk to somebody in America and everything just upon the, you understand? The same vibe right away. Everybody connect. See? So the internet now create the community kind of vibration there. So guess what me you know? You see the act of badgering each other, tearing down each other, it start to come in the whole equation, you know. See? And may I see it say, there's a trend amongst in our culture where we use dunce shaming for try for, you understand, bring down each other. See? Because may I see it in the comment section, oh, the ones them who claim say them educated, how them go against the Ras, how them go against Rasmoko. See? We are see them things there. And mainly that inspired a video. Yeah. See? Me just want to question certain things and remind some people certain things same way too. Because it look like some people feel like I say, like because them they in a one position now with spot, them get education, them not use their education for elevate or inspire, for motivate them brother and sister around them. You know. Then use their education for look down upon the people them where they around them. See? And then hurl insult at people who them claim say is uneducated. See? So one of the reminder what I want to remind some people is, you see, education is one powerful tool. See? Education is a powerful tool. Just like how electricity is a powerful tool, and we use electricity with caution and we respect the electricity. So we not play around it and it can hurt we. Such is education. So you see, educated people must have a certain kind of respect for that thing that we don't have what we call education. See? and don't use it to tear down on a brother and sister, but use it to elevate them. You see, what you think say the Ras don't know, don't just come out and come show some insult and get disrespectful and cuss the Ras and talk about him fool or him dunce and all of them sitting there because him uneducated according to one us. Seeing? So some of we are going like I said, we did born beginner. And we forget we history. We forget where we are come from. So you see, because we forget where we are come from, we lose sight of where we are go. So we just there one place in our middle, so I disrespect some people where we feel like say the behind we or the below we. Seeing? But watch you now. You see, if the dunce man exists, the bright man wouldn't know say him bright. Just imagine a world where everybody know everything. See? Just imagine that. Everybody know everything. I would then want a world of robots just walk around the place. You understand? And then we wouldn't appreciate nothing. You understand? So the bright people them who feel like I said true then get education. Then if you use education as how the slave master did use education. You understand? And use the education against them people as a weapon. Because me see most of the people them, me not say all of them, you know, but a lot of the people them, where they disrespect the Ras, them not offer no kind of solution. All them do is just hurl disrespect, then just hurl insults. Them now put nothing to the table if you say, okay, since the Ras never know that, make we reason it out in a one manner, whisper even the baby can understand it. So the Ras get a grip of it. See? All we want to do is just tear down one another. All we want to do is just use with so-called education what we get. To badger each other, insult each other, disrespect each other, instead of use it to enhance and grow each other. See? Because you see, if a bright man, if one of them educated people here, who learn to read and write English, see? Let's say we pick up one youth where him never learned to read and write. And we pick up one of the youth them where have all of the subject them. And you take him out of high school fresh, well bright. Seeing academically. Seeing? You see the bright youth academically and the youth without the academic vibration, him not get no education, so we call him dunce. You see the youth there, him develop one different kind of skill set where natural intelligence teach him, where life teach him, where nature teach him, when book not there fi teach him like what life teach him. And you see if you take them two youth then now and you put them in a one mutual situation, just say you take the two of them out of Jamaica and you put them in a China, where neither of them don't speak Chinese language, them no write Chinese language, them no read Chinese language. See? But the two of them need survival skills, you know. See? How you go measure education and brightness in a them kind of situation there. See? So sometime when time we quick for hurl insult at people, we must take some things into consideration. For example, the Ras might go through certain different things than what you go through. Your generation might have it easier easy access to education than the generation of the Rasta. See? Enough of know where the talk not take into consideration the situation where the Ras come through. None of we don't even question that. What caused the Ras to be uneducated? What caused the Ras to be illiterate? These are the words one are thrown at the Ras. What caused it? You understand? Is it a fault directly of the Ras? What caused them things befall him? See? Because we don't know in situation, you know. We don't know how him grow, you know. See? We don't know what him go through, you know. We don't know if him have no kind of learning disabilities same way too. See? Because enough time people are genius, you know, but them have learning disabilities. See? So that is a natural thing where him experience nothing where him can control. It's almost like people where have them speech impediment and all of them like psychological or mental deficiency. You see me I say? So people have dyslexia. So that kind of minimize him way how him fi articulate himself. You understand? People have all kind of different struggles what them are go through. You understand? Some of them are medical issues, some of them are psychological issues. And it don't mean say I'm mad, some of them mad because we are say them things there, you know. You understand? Sometimes some of them sitting here just neurological problem with them born with. You understand? But we not take no time for examine them sitting there, you know. We just take here and cuss people. We take here and tell them. See? So you find enough like a youth in our community them, you know. When time them a grow up. And because them have certain like a learning deficiency, we call them fool. And everybody in our community treat him fool and call him fool. So guess what? The youth go become fool. You understand? Because that's how we stay as a people. We create the monsters them around us by the way how we treat each other. And then when time the monster them rise up in front of we now, we are say, what make him behave like that? See? Because this is one of the things them with so-called educated people, you know. More time they hurl disrespect and they hurl insult. Not for elevate your level of understanding, you know. But just for make you stay in place. They feel like I said them above you and they want to disrespect you, so you must stay in your place. I just basically that them want to do. You understand? John wants star, may I tell him, I don't know how we come down to this differently still as a people. See, it come like I said, we don't like each other for whatever reason. You understand? So we use all kind of things, all kind of weakness for try to bring down one another. See? Ja, no, me I tell you, me I tell you. Cause enough of the people them where they cuss the ras and attack out the ras. This and the ras that, you know. May I read through the comment section and enough of the people them where they cuss the ras, not even one word of advice, them not sure. Them a say the ras not know nothing about business, but yet them nah give no other alternative perspective pan the thing. All them a do a earl disrespect. You don't know nothing why him a say. Why him a chat about? You not see my idiot. That are the best one you can come up with. So-called educated people. Ja know me I tell you say, yo. When you invoke certain kind of reaction out of people, and then when time you invoke the reaction and people react the way how you poke them for them react, then you say, because then done so why they react them way there. Because then, you understand? So how you so educated and you can get your point across without hurling insult at a man where probably have a condition where being in control. Only because you find yourself in a one position where you won't get access to public schooling and now you can read and write and you can probably find yourself a nice job and you understand, you feel like I say you're more than, you understand? Because what you know, you can use just learning to write and read English language as the measuring stick for intelligence. Because that with enough of people, them a conflate intelligence with education. You understand? And not because people have education, it means that they're intelligent, you know. Because me see some people write some long paragraph in the comment section, and I know say, it's only because you have access to education that allow you to write such a long paragraph. See? But when time you read the text, it make absolutely no sense. So where the intelligence in the education there? See? And if you check the RAS, you know, the RAS go show you different kind of intelligence where you're not going to learn in an own book. Because as I say, what life teach you and what nature go teach you, you're not going to learn it in an own book or in an own class. See? Because I see the RAS drop some gems and I show them in a bridge. Where you talk about certain kind of bush. At what time of the day you must pick the bush. He might talk about in farm, him talk about the time of the year when you're supposed to plant certain food because of the phase of the moon and all of them things. See? And he might not articulate it in the farm where you go hear from your astrophysicists and them people there. You know. But when time you think about it on one bigger scale, you realize as some bigger knowledge, as some deep intelligence that the rasa drop on people, but because we so caught up in ourselves now, we spot education take we so far away from nature. And take some people so far away from themselves. Now they forget who they really are. Because education make you become something else. Because basically that's what education is. You know? Education just mold you into becoming something. So That's why people get education through different levels. See? So you do all of the subject training if you want to become a doctor. See? So your education allow you that chance to become a doctor. You see it? So now uno become whatever education allow uno to become. Uno forget about on self, on a natural self. See? Because everybody is what them profession dictate upon them. See? So we are teachers now. We are policemen. We are firemen. We are lawyers. We are doctors. See? We are politicians. We are counselor. We are you understand? So all of that we want to learn is just to become something. And that something there is what society go use on to do. For keep the system working. See? And then uno forget on yourself and uno forget about nature. And uno gone far. So we start uno reach you know, uno feel like I say, oh, I true him not get no education, why him can't reach up here, so you know. So now you feel privileged. And feel like I say you can shut door upon people and disrespect people and look down upon people. See? Because we are suffer from one wicked sickness in Jamaica and that sickness they are classism, you know. See? And you see classism is akin to racism. You know different. Because when time when I try to don't shame people, I see him think the racists do when time he look on a skin color and try to use race for disrespect and shame black. See? So because of the education system now, we find ourselves in a classes and different sitting. Because from school we are learning sitting there, you know. We're there in a different class. You understand? So we have one bright class and we have one dunce class and all of them literally sitting there. It just transcend out in a public and out how people deal with each other. And now we gain all of them little things here and feel so empowered in ourselves. Now we go start to use it for disrespect and use it as a weapon against our own fellow men. Seeing? And we have to do better, man. We have to look out for one another more, man. So some people who feel like I say, who have people where they around, who feel like I say they dunce and they need help. If you no disrespect them, and not help them. Because watch you now. You see, if people use education as a weapon against people who then call dunce people, the dunce people them go retaliate. See? So the dunce man go on for represent himself in a society. Him go on for making voice be heard. Because if so-called educated people just shut them down and bully them and insult them and push them one side running on one corner, guess what? Then go retaliate. So you go find say the dunce thing now it go become one culture. You go find say the dunce people them now go on for put out them chest out there now and say, yo, a time if you not stop bullying me, you know. You understand? So you go find one culture, a dunceness in our society. And dunce go become like a part of our culture. But guess what? We see them one to create it. We see them one, the people them who feel like I say, they're educated, who get education and take it for granted and feel like I said them for use it if disrespect each other. See? And me say a man all a disrespect me in a brethren. And the man a disrespect me. And him can't even, me not even I say I can't even. But how can you make such a mistake for people who they calling themselves bright? You understand? And a disrespect me. And can't even spell bag. You understand? Like him want to say a bag of chatter or a bag of chattings. And you can't even spell bag. Or you make mistake with a 3-letter word. But I don't want to disrespect people. See? Come on, man. We have to do better than what we are doing, man. You see it? So people, I just want to say give thanks again and I hope say somebody can pick up something from the little ramblings I just a ramble a while ago. You see it? And I know enough people are going to come out and cuss me again in the comment section, but you understand? I just reason me a reason. And if we want to have a conversation, make we do it in the comment section same way. So they are them go and bless up they are themselves, and you see all like positive people them just go and stay positive. You see it? Continue vibrate on a positive energy there. You see it? Yeah man. And all like negative people them, me know say on half of the about same way still. You understand? But me hope say on learn something while on the day. And you can tune in over upon the positive side still, is it? And look out for your one another man, and look out for your brother man. Is it? Be a brother's keeper. You understand the levels? So we want to give thanks to the reasoning and more joy and more respect, is it? Stay blessed people. Until the next video. I'm out.